Hey everyone! Welcome back to Thrive with Emotions. If you're feeling stuck in a rut, today's video is just for you. We're diving into some simple, effective routine changes that can totally transform your life, boost your health, and help you feel more organized. Just like when we tidy our homes, creating a mindful routine is about designing a life that sparks joy. It's about making conscious choices that support your well-being and bring a sense of calm to your days. Let's jump right in.
First off, why is routine so important? Why dedicate time to structuring our days when life itself can feel so unstructured? Well, just as we cherish a well-organized drawer, a well-structured routine brings a sense of peace and order to our lives. A solid routine can reduce stress. When you have a predictable rhythm to your day, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed by the unexpected. It's like having a gentle guide, leading you through your day with more intention and less chaos. And speaking of intention, a good routine can do wonders for your mental health by incorporating activities that nourish your mind and body, like meditation, exercise, or even just a few moments of quiet reflection. You're making a conscious effort to prioritize your well-being. And let's not forget about productivity. A structured routine can help you manage your time more effectively, allowing you to accomplish your goals with more ease and focus. When you have a clear plan for your day, you're less likely to get sidetracked by distractions. So how do we bring this sense of mindful structure into our lives? Let's look at some practical, easy-to-implement changes you can make, starting with the most important part of the day, your morning.
Let's start with the morning. Instead of jumping straight into your phone or email, try these steps to transform your morning into a time of peace and productivity. Wake up earlier. Give yourself an extra 15 to 30 minutes. That quiet time before the world wakes up is a precious gift. Use it to center yourself, set intentions for the day, and ease into your morning without feeling rushed. This extra time can be used for activities that bring you joy and peace, like reading a book, listening to calming music, or simply enjoying the silence. Hydrate. Before you reach for that cup of coffee, drink a large glass of water. This simple act kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and sets a tone of self-care for the rest of the day. Hydration is crucial for maintaining energy levels and mental clarity, so make it a priority to start your day with water. Move your body. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or a quick workout, get that blood flowing. Physical activity not only benefits your body, but also clears your mind and boosts your mood, setting you up for a more productive and positive day. Even a short walk outside can invigorate your senses and provide a fresh perspective. Mindfulness. Spend 5 minutes meditating or journaling to set a positive tone for your day. This quiet time allows you to connect with your inner self, reflect on your thoughts and feelings, and approach the day with a sense of calm and purpose. Writing down your goals or expressing gratitude can also enhance your focus and happiness. Imagine your morning routine as a sacred ritual, a time dedicated to nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. By incorporating these simple practices, you'll be amazed at how much more energized, focused, and joyful you feel throughout the day. Embrace these moments as opportunities to invest in your well-being and watch how they transform not just your mornings, but your entire day.
Next up, let's talk about nutrition. Just as we carefully select items to keep in our homes, let's choose foods that nourish our bodies and spark joy within. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Meal prep. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping healthy meals for the week ahead. This not only saves time and reduces stress during busy weekdays, but also ensures that you have nutritious options readily available, preventing impulsive, unhealthy choices. Imagine opening your fridge and being greeted by colorful, pre-portioned meals. Doesn't that spark joy? Snacking smart. Swap out chips for nuts or fruit. Instead of reaching for processed snacks that provide a temporary energy boost followed by a crash, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and nourish your body. Think of it as choosing joy and vitality over fleeting satisfaction. Hydration. Keep a water bottle handy and aim for 8 glasses a day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, promoting healthy digestion, and feeling our best. Make it a delightful ritual by choosing a beautiful water bottle that sparks joy every time you take a sip.
Now, let's declutter. This is the first step towards creating a serene and peaceful environment in your home. An organized space can boost your mental clarity and bring a sense of peace to your surroundings. When everything is in its place, you can focus better and feel more at ease. Just as we tidy our belongings, let's create a space that reflects the calm and clarity we seek within. Here's how. By organizing our physical space, we can also bring order to our minds. Tackle one area at a time. This approach makes the task less daunting and more manageable. Start with your desk or a drawer. These are small areas that can make a big difference once they are organized. Don't feel overwhelmed by the thought of tackling your entire house at once. Break it down into smaller tasks. Choose one small area and give it your full attention. This focused effort can lead to a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to continue. Experience the joy of transforming even a small corner of your home into a haven of peace and order. Use storage solutions. These can be game changers in maintaining an organized space. Baskets, bins, and shelves can help you organize your belongings in a way that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. They can also make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Choose storage solutions that spark joy and reflect your personal style. This will make the process of organizing more enjoyable and satisfying. Remember, organizing is not just about creating order, it's about creating a space that brings you joy and inspires a sense of peace. Digital declutter. This is equally important in our modern, tech-driven lives. Organize your files and emails. A tidy digital space is just as important as a tidy physical space. It can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Just as we mindfully let go of physical items that no longer serve us, let's apply the same principle to our digital lives. This can free up mental space and make our digital interactions more efficient. Delete unnecessary files, unsubscribe from emails that no longer spark joy, and create a digital environment that is both efficient and inspiring. By doing so, you can create a serene and productive digital workspace that complements your organized physical space.
And finally, let's not forget about your evenings. This is a crucial time to transition from the hustle and bustle of the day to a state of calm and relaxation. Just as we tidy up our homes before retiring for the night, let's create an evening routine that promotes relaxation and prepares us for a restful sleep. A well-structured evening routine can significantly impact the quality of your sleep and overall well-being. Wind down with these steps. Limit screen time. Switch off devices at least an hour before bed. This simple step can make a world of difference. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with our sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. This disruption can lead to restless nights and groggy mornings. By creating a digital-free zone in the hours leading up to bedtime, we allow our minds and bodies to unwind naturally. Create a relaxing ritual. Read, take a warm bath, or do some light stretches. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Choose activities that promote relaxation and help you transition from the busyness of the day to a state of calm and tranquility. This is your time to focus on yourself and your well-being. This is your time to unwind, de-stress, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Plan for tomorrow. Write down your tasks or goals for the next day to ease your mind. This practice can help you feel more organized and less anxious about the day ahead. By getting everything out of your head and onto paper, you free up mental space and allow yourself to fully relax, knowing that you have a plan in place for the following day. This can lead to a more peaceful and uninterrupted sleep. Remember, your evening routine is a sacred time to unwind, recharge, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. It's a time to let go of the day's stresses and focus on your well-being. By incorporating these simple practices, you'll wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace a new day. A good night's sleep is the foundation for a productive and fulfilling day ahead.
There you have it. Small, manageable changes that can lead to a healthier, happier life. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Just as we approach tidying with a gentle and compassionate heart, approach your routine with kindness and flexibility. It's a journey of self-discovery, and it's okay to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your own routine changes in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.